Oh man, I must be early. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? You coming to this seminar too? I can't wait to make $1 gazillion with Armando Montiaguio's patented system. Boy, financial freedom's right around the corner for me. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the seminar industry and why you need to be watching out for some things in the near future because of this virus. Stay tuned. The seminar industry. Please let me know if any of you guys have been to a seminar in the comments. These things used to be rampant, especially around, I want to say in 2008 when the housing crash happened. I mean, it was like everybody was going to these, housing flip seminars. I'm going to teach you how to flip a house and you're going to make $1 gazillion and you're never going to have to work again. And oh my God, all you got to do is listen to me. Well, I'm going to shed some light on this whole industry because some of the things I've been seeing, are seriously upsetting me. And also the fact that, we're in the state we're in as far as our economy with this virus and everything. I know that there's going to be a lot of people out there who are going to be taking advantage of that. And I don't want you guys to get suckered. All right. So here, I'm going to give you the skinny on it. The seminar industry, from what I know, from what I saw, I went to a seminar that was run by a company named Xerx. Now, Xerx was a company that they would never be in the forefront. They would always have celebrities, they would be the face of the company, like, Shark Tank people or people on HGTV, like that couple that used to flip houses. And so you never really knew Xerx was the real company. You would think that those actual people were running it, like Damon John, Robert Herjavec, or Grant Cardone, or like those big names. You thought they were running this seminar. They weren't running shit. All they were doing was lending their name for a brand. I'm sure they were getting paid, but they weren't running shit. All they were doing was, sitting back and collecting checks. The real company that was running all this shit was called Xerx. And that was, some Utah company run, with a bunch of Jack Mormons who basically, those people were born to sell. I don't know if any of you guys have dealt with a Mormon. They know how to sell. It's just, from the womb, they know how to sell. So anyways, what the company would do was they'd hold these seminars and usually in hotel ballrooms. Any of you guys who've been to these know what I'm talking about. And what they would do is they would lure you in and say, oh, free seminar. We're going to teach you how to do all this stuff, like sell things on Amazon, flip houses, or grow your business and all this kind of stuff. Just come to the free seminar. Oh, you're so generous, right? Well, basically what would happen is the people would go to the free seminar. And, in hopes to, a lot of these people were trying to start a business or, were in a situation they were trying to get out of. So, it was very alluring. Well, they would go to the free seminar, and what the people would do that worked the seminar, the first thing they would do is they would get you to fill out all your information and they would have you sign up for Credit Nav. And it's like, well, why do they need to sign up for Credit Nav? They're just going to a seminar, right? What they would say to the people is yeah, you need to sign up for Credit Nav because we need to know where your credit score is, for you to get business funding, for your business, like, supplies and startup costs and all that. So everybody would obviously, okay, no hard inquiry. All Credit Nav is a, credit monitoring service. So of course, yeah, sure, I'll do that. Yeah, I'd like to see my credit score. But in all actuality, what they were doing was they were looking to see in that room who was able to get money. Because what they were actually ultimately selling, the pitch at the end was a mentorship of some sort where, it was like $50,000 for you to have this mentor who's going to call you and coach you and show you how to do everything with your business. Well, a lot of people don't have $50,000. But what they would do is they would go and say, oh, well, you have a good credit score. So there's this other company, which would be in the ballroom called Foundation Funding. And they would send them over to them, a guy for them, and all Foundation Funding did, this is criminal. All they would do is see that the guy had a good credit score and then say, okay, we can get you a bunch of funding. All they did was apply for credit cards for him. They would go in, apply for like 4 credit cards at once, real fast so the inquiries wouldn't hit, and basically try to get them the most amount of money through credit cards as they could. They got 15% of whatever they got. Could you imagine? Damn, it's like all you gotta do is apply for credit cards. You get denied, oh well, if you get approved, then I get 15%. Like who would sign up for that shit? But people did, and then now once they have all these credit cards, it's, oh, okay, well, when you put your income, you can put what you're gonna make. So it's like some guy who's like, yeah, I'm gonna make $1 zillion with my business. Yeah, aren't we all? It's like, guess what? Some businesses, they don't make it. They never talk about that. It's like no one's ever fucking real. So then what they would do is they go in and get them to get into a bunch of debt, get that mentorship. And after that, Xerx had their money. So yeah, okay, we'll have this guy give you phone calls and what have you. But there was no like, the business failed. Oh, well, I mean, it's like, I can't believe this was allowed to go on as long as it did, but it went on for a while. I mean, people were doing this. I mean, it was real big when Amazon, everybody's, oh, you're going to make $1 zillion on Amazon. Oh, flipping houses. No, flipping houses. Oh, flipping houses is dead. You need to do this business stuff. It's like, there's always some new hot thing that's like out there. And it's like, I know because of this virus, it's like there's going to be, things always come up out of the woodwork because when people are hurting, they're always looking for a way to, get out of their situation and, make their life better, especially when it's, things aren't doing good. And I know that, it's like maybe the seminar industry will come back and, you'll see this shit again. Or I think webinars are now like the big thing now. I'm noticing a lot of these gurus are switching to webinars, which they say, oh, come to my live webinar. It's not live. It's all pre-recorded. They fucking lie to you. They all lie. Dude, it's horrible. It's like, I don't understand why people just aren't real. It's like they just don't tell the truth. I would respect somebody more if they're like, you know what? I'm going to teach you how to make money. I'm going to make money from doing this. But, you're going to be able to make money too. I would respect that more. But instead, they got like the videos of the people, they're all crying and shit. And, oh, I do this because I care. I don't have to do this. I don't have to do seminars. I don't have to teach people. I do this because I want to give back. Bullshit. It's like, don't fucking just you make me want to throw up. It's like, that's not true. You're doing this because the money is in teaching people and getting them to sign up for your shit. You know what I mean? It's like, do as I say, not as I do, right? It's like, I can't stand shit like that. And it's like, there's always somebody out there, man. And it's like, it's getting bad, especially with YouTube and whatnot. Everybody's out there trying to like be like some guru and that, oh, you got to follow me. You got to, go to my webinar, buy my product. It's like, damn, dude. It's like, I mean, it's getting insane. It really is. And it's like the shit that happens behind the scenes. Somebody's got to fucking, let people in on what's really going on. And I mean, and damn it, I'm going to be that guy. So I'm combing the internet right now looking for other offenders that I can then, let you guys in on so you guys don't get taken. Because the last thing I want is to see somebody who's freaking trying to like better their situation, get screwed by some sort of, scam like this. And it's like, here's another thing. It's like, I'm tired of seeing the people, they got all the cars and the houses and it's all really bullshit. It's like, in these seminars, they show the videos of like the people. It's like, oh yeah, I'm on vacation. Oh, I got a pina colada in my hand and I'm just, got this hot babe next to me and my life is great. It's like, it's all fucking bullshit. It's like, oh my God. It's like, honestly, when I see shit like that, it's almost insulting. It's like, are you trying to like insult my intelligence? I mean, it gets me fired up, as you can see. But just want to let you guys in on it, let you guys know about it, just so I don't know if seminars are going to be the next thing. It's probably going to be some technology thing. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, also, Bitcoin's going back up again, so I'm sure there's going to be some sort of Bitcoin-related money-making scheme that's going to be out there. I'd be very wary of that because of what happened last time with USI Tech and BitConnect and all that crap. I mean, I tried to make a video before warning you guys. Anything that has to do with cryptocurrency, I would stay away from if it means that you've got to part with your cryptocurrency in some way, shape, or form. Because, I mean, that's just people got scammed so bad 2 years ago. It was just insane. I mean, there's still videos on YouTube right now you can watch about people who, they lost $30,000. They lost this, they lost their life savings. I mean, some people were committing suicide over that shit. So it's just like, just keep, I just want you guys to be safe and to, keep your eyes open when you guys see these opportunities and things. I mean, it would be great if you could, if you guys see something you think is sketchy, bring it to my attention so I can look at it because, if it's, something that's not on the up and up, I definitely will make a video about it. Well, I'm on my way out. I can't stand to be in these ballrooms. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.